Maybe some other plant nerds out there can relate to my excitement in seeing the results of my poppy crossbreeding experiment, where I crossbred my black Swan poppy with the plain Jane red poppy, and the seeds that I planted resulted in this. So it'll be the first flower to open. It's now the very next morning, and this flower is ready to bust out of here. So let's give it a hand. Bloop. Alright, it's going to open up. Off the bat, it looks a lot like the black Swan side of the family, but we'll give it a couple minutes to open up and see what it does. A couple minutes later, it's a little bit more open. Still looks a lot like the black Swan. I also have its sister plant over here, so we'll see if there's a better variation. But ultimately, it just looks like a slightly less dramatic version of the mother plant, but still pretty cool. Thanks for following along.